What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today in this video we are going to be working on the Polaris Ranger, as you guys can see behind me. And today we are going to be replacing a few of the broken parts underneath the hood and or on the hood of the Ranger itself. And let's go ahead and get into it, and I'll show you the parts that we're replacing today. So it might not look like much, but here we've got the hood latches themselves. We've got these Clevis pins here. I've got two of those, and I've got two Hitch pins that go with the Clevis pins. I hope that's how you pronounce them. I'll link everything you guys see here in the description box below. And now let's go ahead and open our hood and get these installed. Before we do, I just wanted to go ahead and make this quick note. A lot of people are probably going to be wondering, why are you doing an installation for little itty bitty pins and hood latches? That's really not a necessary thing. Well, I wanted to take you guys on this journey with me of everything that I do to this Ranger. And you never know, some people might need help on replacing the same exact items that I'm doing. So you never know. I try not to judge a book by its cover, and that's why I'm doing this through and through, so I can show you guys everything that I'm doing. So let's go ahead and get back into it. So we've got our hood opened up here, and as you guys can tell, if I do this, it's a little broken right there, right here. And the Clevis and Hitch pins are gone, and they're just barely attached on this one here, so I went ahead and got new ones of those. And these are torn on both sides of this side and this one, so we're going to go ahead and replace those. And there's not really any tools that we really need to do these. I'm just going to get a flathead screwdriver and just like try and stick this through here and just push this entire rubber piece through there, or do it from this end, take all of this and put it through the hole of the hood itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the old hood straps off and put the new ones on. There's one new hood strap, and there's the second hood strap. These are really easy to take out. All I did was I just took this and shoved it through the hole with a screwdriver, and vice versa when sticking the new ones back on. Now let's go ahead and take out this Hitch pin right here and this Clevis pin and reinstall the new ones. So I took the old hood Clevis and Hitch pin out of that side, and there was already none on that side. But these brackets right here where they go are just a little bent, so I'm going to work on those for a little bit and get those as straight as I can and reinstall the Clevis and Hitch pins. And there you have it, guys. I've got them both installed. The pins go in from the inside here out, and the other pins go on the outside there. They're all fully installed. Everything's good. I had to bend that bracket back out in order for this to work. They're off there. This one's bent inwards, but this one I had to bend outwards a little bit. So I don't know how exactly those brackets are supposed to stick, but that works for right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this up, and we'll close this video out. And that's gonna be it for today's video. Like I said, this was some small stuff, and you never know, people out there might need some help with stuff like this, and that's what I'm here for. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, or if I helped you out in any way, shape, or form, hit the like button, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe for more videos like this. This is a new weekly series every other week. We'll see you guys next week.